Hello, my name is Sandeep Sinha. I am Vice President European Tours and I have been associated with Billabong High Kanpur for the last 7 years now. I have been organizing and coordinating school programs, education tours for the school students. This gave me a beautiful opportunity to interact with the teachers and the students up close and outside the school vicinity sometimes. And that showed a real character of these teachers. The teachers of Billabong High are absolutely amazing humans. They are full of humility, they are humble, they show a lot of patience, and they take care of the responsibilities. And that's what we want in a teacher. So today, Preeti ma'am, thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to express my gratitude and appreciation to Billabong management and all the teachers of Billabong. I wish you all the best and a very happy Teachers Day. Please keep up the good work. God bless you. Thank you.